How to fix something is wrong with the video file. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, open WhatsApp and then swipe up on your screen and then go ahead and force quit all the apps on the background by simply swiping up and exiting the app. This refreshes the media decoding system. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp option you see there and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. In iPhone storage interface itself, make sure that you have enough storage space, as if your storage is full, WhatsApp cannot download videos, so keep at least 1 to 2 GB free, or you can also delete old videos or photos or unused apps. You can then go ahead and ask the sender to send the video again, as the original video might be corrupted or deleted, so ask them to resend it. The next fix is open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for WhatsApp, and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, as older versions of the app might cause video playback bugs. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone fixes decoder and media player issues used by WhatsApp. Also, make sure that the video that is sent to you is in correct format, as WhatsApp supports MP4, MOV, and standard video codecs only. And if the video is from Telegram or screen recorders, it might be in a non-supported format. So you can ask the sender to convert or re-export the video. And if nothing helps in fixing your issue, then the last fix is go back to your home screen and tap hold on the WhatsApp application, and then delete the app completely from your device and then reinstall it from your app store, as this will fix all corrupted app files. So this was about how you can fix something is wrong with the video file on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.